You wear jeans, I wear jeans, and I'm sure we all have a favorite pair of jeans that we wear more than we'd like to admit, whether it be the wash or the fit. And it can get a little bit repetitive. So I'm here to show you 5 ways to elevate your denim. Hello guys, and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Chidera and I do fashion content. So if you like fashion, then definitely subscribe and stick around for more. I am a denim girl through and through, so it's probably no surprise that I've been enjoying just experimenting with my denim pieces, finding new ways to just style them and just being creative with it essentially. Because when I say I wear denim literally basically every single day, I truly mean that. So it can get a bit boring just wearing jeans and a top. So that's why I've kind of devised these 5 little hacks, if you will, for how to just elevate your denim pieces, and I just wanted to share them with all of you. Now, the first thing on my list is actually layer your denim. And last year I decided to cut these jeans, which are actually from Page. So these retail for about £225. And I got them because I worked at Page retail. So I didn't pay for them. But I have these jeans and they are skinny jeans. Now, I don't wear skinny jeans, but I have decided to keep one pair of skinny jeans within my wardrobe, and that is one black pair. I don't think I would ever wear blue skinny jeans in the full length form, but I do like capri pants. So last year, I actually decided to cut them because I wanted to layer them with other pieces and just happened to like them as capris as well. But back to the point of layering. This was the best decision I've ever made because the fit of these jeans is so nice and it means it layers nicely with other denim pieces and with denim skirts as well. So first example would be layering it with other jeans. I have this pair of baggy jeans from Bershka, and I just love the way the 2 waistbands kind of line up because I size up 2 sizes for them. So they have the perfect amount of bagginess to wear with these jeans underneath, because sometimes when I wear it by itself, it's just a little bit too baggy. But when I have an extra layer underneath, it just fits nicely. But when I have these jeans underneath, I feel like it just creates the perfect amount of bagginess. And I just love the two-tone of this pair of jeans against the light wash jeans. I think that looks so cool, so good. And I think you could do it with skinnier jeans as well, because I've actually done it with a pair of bootleg jeans and obviously with these baggy jeans as well. And I think it works perfectly with both. It also works with baggier trousers, which I've tried as well, and with skirts. And whilst this is like a seemingly very simple detail and like not much change to the jeans, I feel like it just makes such a nice effect. Like, I don't know, it makes it easier to dress up this pair of jeans, and it just makes it have like a cool and nice detail. I think the fit as well, the baggy against the more fitted on jeans underneath, just makes it look nicer and more flattering in a way. But I feel like these jeans can be easily dressed up and dressed down. I actually wore them with a button-up shirt and I really liked that outfit and some heels. But then I feel like it can be worn nice and casual. But yeah, I also feel like it can be worn nice casually because because the jeans underneath are actually high rise, it means when you wear a cropped shirt, it doesn't look as cropped. So it's kind of nice to have like a little bit of skin showing rather than a big stomach showing because of the low-rise jeans underneath. So I feel like I opt for wearing these jeans underneath when I want to feel a little bit more covered up in my low-rise jeans, because I am a low-rise girl through and through. I prefer them and they just look more flattering on my body basically. But I do like this. Obviously dressy, I would do the button-up shirt that I showed before. And one thing I liked about that outfit is that I actually used the safety pin to hold the shirt open, because I feel like when you have a detail that's kind of interesting, you want to show it off. So I wanted to have like a little bit of the jean detail peeking through, but also casually, I think this would look so nice with just a plain white or cream tank for springtime as well. And obviously you can throw a jacket on top, but how nice would this top look with this, especially if it's cropped, because then you still get the detail of the double jeans, but then it's not a detail that makes it hard to dress. So I feel like this kind of top would look really nice, jacket thrown on top, and then just a cool pair of trainers or loafers. That is how I would dress this up. But I really like this double jean detail. And obviously I'm going to put pictures on the screen because you can actually wear it. I've worn it actually with skirts before and with different types of skirts. And the reason I cut it was to wear it with a midi skirt so then you wouldn't see the leg under it. So it kind of needed to be shorter to wear it with a shorter skirt as opposed to a full length maxi skirt. But I love this hack and I will wear it all year. Next hack was actually wearing your jeans inside out. And I know this one is probably not for everyone, but there was a time, well, this year / last year, where not every brand, but quite a few brands were making inside out jeans. I saw them in Bershka, Pretty Little Thing have a version. And there's another brand that's actually designer. I'll put it on the screen if I remember, but there's a brand that's designer as well that does this pair of inside out jeans. And whilst I think it can be really cool and can be dressed really nicely, it's not really a jean style that might last in everyone's wardrobe, but it's something that you can participate in if you have a pair of jeans simply by turning them inside out. The only issue with this is that if you want to use the pockets, you can't because they're obviously inside out. And yeah, that's basically the only issue, but maybe hygiene reasons. But I just feel like it's a cool detail and it's something that it's just different. I feel like it's nice. It can easily be dressed up or down. And it just means that you can participate in certain denim trends without actually purchasing them, because buying a pair of jeans from Bershka or PLT that are in this inside out form, if a year from now you don't like it, then it's kind of a waste of money. But if you have your favorite pair of jeans that you already know you like the fit of them and you turn them inside out, you're still part of the trend, but then you can also revert them back to the normal way without spending any extra money. So I feel like this is quite cool. I have worn it out before and I did quite like it. Obviously you do get strange looks a little bit because people aren't really used to people having this kind of inside out detailed jeans. But I do think it was very cool and it was nice to experiment with without spending any extra cash. Last time when I wore it, I didn't wear it with jeans underneath, but I kind of feel like it looks a little bit cooler. I don't know, like I feel like this would look so nice dressed up. Maybe with like a nice little corset top. I'm not sure. And heels. But like that would look really cool. And it's just kind of like an elevated casual outfit, which I guess is the whole point of this video, elevated denim. But I really do like this and I think it's worth experimenting with if you are feeling a little bit brave on a certain or particular day. This was an unexpected but very effective DIY project. I actually thrifted a pair of shorts and I didn't like how high-waisted they were, so I cut off the waistband. Also because I like the look of my jeans having no waistband. I have my favorite pair of jeans have no waistband and I have 2 pairs of those, and now I also have the shorts with no waistband. So I kind of like that look, and this has come in more handy than I thought. So you can thrift jeans for fairly cheap and literally do so much with these. But what I like about it is I can just wear it so randomly on different pieces. Obviously I've worn it on these jeans where I can just like safety pin it in random places. Like how cool does that look? Or if I wanted to, I could wear it across. Also, I thought it'd be really cool if I almost loop it here. Okay, so if I loop it here and then like kind of like pin it, I don't know, like just hanging it down there, I feel like that looks really cool. It's different and it just adds a visually interesting element to the jeans that weren't previously there before. And I feel like this is just a nice, easy way to just play around with your denim pieces, because I don't know, like it just gets so boring wearing jeans and a top every single day. Like you can do so much with this. And also there's a pair of Caperni jeans that have the waistband detail on the knee of them. And I'm thinking I could thrift a pair of children's jeans, cut off the waistband and kind of sew it onto the knee of a pair of jeans. I'm not really sure how that would work, but I feel like that would be a very cool DIY project. So hopefully I can do that soon. But I just feel like cutting off these little waistbands add nice little stylistic details to outfits and to jeans in particular. I've also paired this with a skirt as well, and I just like how it looked. So definitely if you don't want to layer up your jeans, I feel like the waistband is a nice alternative to that, because it gives a similar vibe, but it's more of an undone look as opposed to the more clean and streamlined look of wearing the skinny jeans underneath your jeans. But I think both are very cool, and definitely this allows for more experimentation in terms of placement. The skinny jeans are obviously better with skirts and just having like a bigger panel of denim showing, and it kind of reminds me of Christopher Esber, which is a brand, and he has a skirt that has a big denim panel, and it's the rest of it's like a almost like a cotton skirt. So that pair of jeans I've worn in that way, and obviously you can wear it with so many different styles. So these are definitely cool hacks that you should try out. This next hack I can't fully demonstrate because I'm still in the process of collecting brooches, but how cute, like you can see the vibe. Imagine brooches all over the waistband of these jeans. I feel like that looks so cool. And even if you just had one brooch on the like button of the jeans, that just elevates it. It just looks cooler, it looks more interesting. It's almost like having a belt, but not a belt. Because personally, I don't like wearing belts most of the time, especially with my jeans, but this kind of just gives the vibe without actually having a belt. So you still have this sleek and streamlined jean, but with this cool little buckle detail. And I think that looks really nice. But I feel like this one's cool as well, because I've noticed that brooches have been trending for this year. And a lot of people have been wearing brooches in their hats, maybe down the leg of their trousers, on jumpers like normal lapels of blazers. But I've never seen anyone wear a brooch on the waistband of their jeans, on the buckle of their jeans. And I feel like that looks so cool. It elevates it in a way that you wouldn't naturally think to do. So I love this little detail, and I'm definitely gonna do it. I definitely do want to get more brooches, but even with one, I think that looks really cool. But definitely with like a bunch all around, so good. If I could scream DIY from the top of a rooftop, I probably wouldn't, but that would be such a good thing to scream, because DIY, like the easiest way you can elevate your denim pieces is by DIYing them, whether it be a missing waistband, whether it be spray painting them, which is kind of easy and casual. It's not too crazy. It's a subtle but nice detail, or whether it be full out painting them like I've painted this pair. I feel like DIYing your jeans is the easiest way to elevate them. I feel like it's just so cool. It adds character. It makes it unique to you. Like, who do you see wearing a pair of jeans with this much character and color going on? No one. And then this one is just cool because it's simple. Like literally I just spray painted these red, and because I have two pairs of these, I wasn't really that worried about how they came out, and I just like the subtle detail of them. It just elevates an outfit like this with a nice white tank top, leather jacket in the springtime versus a plain pair of jeans like this. Just looks more visually interesting and just cooler. This is obviously if you're feeling more brave, but I do like them. And I think DIYing is definitely a good way to go, which I guess the waistband is kind of DIY-ish. But I do love these pairs of jeans, and I'm definitely looking to upcycle, DIY, paint on a few more pairs of jeans, because I think it's just so cool to just add bits of personality into your clothing pieces essentially. And I love that for myself. I know this wasn't a proper styling video, but I hope you guys found it informative, entertaining, and just took something from it. I've definitely been enjoying experimenting, and I definitely want to experiment some more. So if you have any hacks of your own, then don't forget to put them in the comment section below. Other than that, if you did enjoy this video, like and subscribe for more styling videos coming up soon. And I will be seeing you all in my next video. Goodbye and God bless.